Good morning, students. For your second technology class, we will be continuing with what is technology. Disclaimer: the work to be done during this PowerPoint and video presentation covers the work for Term 1 for Technology in Grade 7. The design process. When technology is used to meet a need or to solve a problem, the various steps of the design process is used. The design process has the following steps, namely investigate, design, make, evaluate, and communicate. Let's have a look at the first step, investigate. Investigate means to identify the need or problem. It means to study to find the facts about the need or problem. It is to look for information that other people have found or published about the problem or need, and potential solutions already considered or used. This step in the process saves time and money. An example of this step includes Lewis Waterman patented the first fountain pen. This means that he improved the fountain pens that were available at that time. Design. There are many stages in this step, namely design brief. A design brief is a short or clear statement that outlines the problem or need. Example, Lewis Waterman. Design a pen which does not leak. Next we have design specification. It says exactly how to create the product. Ask and answer a series of questions like, who will use it? What will it do? What will it look like? Where will it be used? Will it damage the environment? Will it be safe? What will it cost? How well will it work? How long will it last? And how will it be produced? The next step in the design process is design constraints, the limits of your design. This is the exact opposite of the design specification. This is everything the design must not be. Constraints include size, cost, and environmental impact. Next we have the initial idea sketches. This includes rough sketches, not very detailed drawings, as they are used to show the general idea. This is followed by choosing the best design. Select the best design from the initial ideas. This is done by careful consideration. Ask people which product they think will be best at solving the problem or meeting the need. And lastly, select materials. Select the materials you will use. The materials that you need are not only the ones you can see in the final product. Create a full resource list before you begin the next stage. Now we can make the product. There are many stages in this step, namely, draw plans. You already have a rough sketch, but now you need detailed drawings. Develop the manufacturing sequence. A sequence is a series of events in order. The manufacturing sequence of Waterman may have included the following. Get metal of the right thickness. Bend the metal using heat. Use a sharp instrument to pierce the top of the nib. Use a hot blade to slice the hot metal into 2 halves. Allow the nib to cool down and attach the nib to the pen. The manufacturing sequence also includes how long each step should take. Make the item or model. After you have completed all the stages, you can finally make the product. In some cases, you will first make a model of it before you make the real item, like designing a bridge. This is to check the appearance and to show off the designer's ideas. Next we have evaluate. After a product has been made, it is important to evaluate how well it solves the problem. This is done by using the following criteria. Does the product meet the design brief, like purpose, shape, size, materials used, and other requirements? Does it solve the problem it was designed to solve? What are the strengths and weaknesses of the product? Is it easy to make? Is it safe to use? How can it be improved? The evaluation is not only about finding the mistakes, but it is about finding out how not to make them. Communicate is the last step. The last step is to communicate the final product to an audience. Another word for audience is the target market. You will explain your product differently to each target market. For grade 3s, you will explain it in a way, and for businessmen in another. All the lists made during the design process has to be explained. This includes questions and answers, sketches and other drawings, and your resource list. Remember, rewrite all the notes in your workbook. This is the end of the Grade 7 Technology What is Technology video. But before you go, please read through the various steps that you must follow to make your virtual schooling a success.